Top of the morning, nerds. So today we're removing these door panels here, which is pretty simple. You do that, pop that joint off, and then you got 4 T20s. You got one here, one in this little fucking galley, and I bought the ones that let me retain every switch and speaker thing because I'm an idiot. But and then these come with little door straps, which I'll do another day. You got a 4th one here, which is like far in there. And then I don't know if there's any one there. Right at the bottom of the door here. Get it on the side of there. Can.
Damn, what's that string that flew out?
Not usable now. And then it just pops off like that. You pull this guy up and off, because you're not going to be able to use this anymore. The doors will still lock, everything will still function as it should. These come off really easy. All you got to do is just take it from here, pull it up and out, and that's your door handle. You pull your little speaker things out here. Doesn't look like it's going to be used anymore. So we're just going to pull that guy off. This is for the window switch, which we're going to need. So we got to pop that out. Comes out. Make sure you have all the harness out of the way, and then you're going to need this. Even though this doesn't really fully hold it in, you're going to need a piece of foam on the back side of the door panel. I'll show you that in a second. 2 T20s. So you just pop that guy out, pop this guy out. And this is the piece we're going to need because it bolts to the back of this little door card piece here. I'm retaining the factory speakers, so you got to pop these 3 out. Bam. Oh, my knees are calling it quits. And then that pops out like that. And then I saw that they were able to use the cover still, but when I pulled them on the other side, they all broke and they don't even fit in the thing anymore, so I don't think we could use them. I didn't use them on the other side. Now to get this guy out, we got to be careful with all the clips here. I'm just going to flip it around so you guys can see. Scared.
First time?
Look at that. Anyway, so you gotta pop this guy from here. I'm not reusing these door cards, so I don't really care if the door panel gets damaged, but you guys should. If you're gentle with it, which we're kind of being gentle, it'll come out without breaking any of these little tabs. Not that they matter because they don't do anything anyways, but grab this guy. Wow, my knee is on fire right now. So as you see, like it sits in here pretty loose. You need to throw this guy on here like so. And this is where the foam would come in handy. You could put a piece of foam on this side and this side to like hold this in better. Who's at the door?
Me.
Oh, and then this looks really freaking stupid, but these little freaking things, like they line up, but they don't. And they might bite, but they might not. Could use like a different style bolt and like the nut or like little body clips.
Like a button head on the other side eventually.
Yeah, that would be a smart idea. But for right now, this is like the mock-up V1 purpose. And these already have the OEM clips in them, so they should just sit right in place as you put this in. But we gotta put this in first like that. And then it just pops in. It'll probably be a little loose. That's all that entails. And then all we gotta do now is just plug this guy back in. Which you can see, all you gotta do is just pull this guy forward and it clips right back in.
Damn, that clip gives me trauma.
And then this one slides in like that. This one slides in like that. Okay. Make sure it sits in the clip first and then go like that, and then you just test it, which it should actually just fine. Now comes the kind of annoying part. So I'm going to dangerously put my finger in the eye. It hurts all over again. That really sucks. There's just a little better. And all we got to do is just... Jesus Christ. Oh, it bowed pretty good, huh? That's because I left the foam there. So we're still using like their mock-up holes, but Yeah, I'm not upset at it. Like out here.
Yeah, so you're actually drilling into metal.
That was better. Oh, hit my knee again. Shout out Austin telling me to do a 3 on a scooter I've never ridden before. And me not having confidence to do the full thing.
Is that what happened?
Yeah. That was when I attempted to do the 3 and I fucking fell on my ass.
First time?
Not my first time.
Places like that are dope because anytime you like bend it, it'll just fucking bleed.
Yeah, it just completely hurts more. I think I'm gonna start with this guy. Because like this will hopefully stay level. Well, that's it. I don't know if this side looks better without the film on it. Even though I thought I bought actual carbon, but I didn't. I bought ABS plastic that I guess is hydrodipped. So this is with the film on, which I kind of like because it's not glossy and it won't blind me, but I can't do anything about that side now. So obviously I'm probably just going to rip this off. And then like this one corner, obviously I didn't do very well with.
Nah,
I can adjust that later on, I guess.
might just have to fuck with this because there's a high spot in it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have to squish it down and then pull this one back out and then kind of readjust that way. That's what it looks like. This whole side got squished. Probably take the foam out behind it, but we still got to drill in the actual little like handles in here, which are just these little straps which bolt to the chassis, which they're not like anything special. They're just a rivet.
Chinesium fabric.
Chinesium fabric. And I got this one because I thought it would match the color of the car, which it does not.
Well, you better appreciate it because the kid got paid a penny a month for that.
You did. Temu special. So yeah, obviously the windows work, which is great. Door handle's gonna work kind of fine.
Here, let me close the door so you can see the reach.
Yeah. This part, it's like all right. I mean, I got long arms. Oh, sorry. But yeah, it's okay. It does the job. What am I gonna complain about? I should probably take out the rest of the carpet, but we have so many rocks here that it's kind of.
I would just leave it.
Yeah, it's not worth it. It's gonna be like what, 5 pounds total later.
If even.
Well, actually.
Oh yeah, probably with all that foam.
Yeah. It's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Now I gotta rip all this off one of these days and get the carbon pieces that aren't matte because I can't fucking see because all this reflects all the white.
I can't see either.
Thanks for watching. My knee fucking hurts. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.